Okay, so this is something I've never done. Mr. Black is our first cat, and um, we decided not to declaw him, even though we did get him as a kitten. But he never really attacked the kids or I when he was littler. But since we moved these last couple months, he messed up the kids quite a bit. So I got a pair of cat scissors, little scissors, and I seen this lady do it. She wrapped her cat up in a towel and did one at a time. And ours is a monster, so I'm just gonna sit you down and then I'm gonna go grab him. And You're a good boy.
See if she's got any funds, considering that she's the one that's run up the debt in the first place.
I won't do his back paws, but all in all, he was a good baby. Do you want to show them your paws? So he still has a lot of claw left. I didn't cut him down low because I am scared, but all in all, he's a good boy. He's gonna go get a treat. Coffee cakes. Coffee. Hi, baby. So, all in all, you want your nails clipped? Looks like somebody else is gonna get their nails clipped too. Oh, while they're in here, I could show you guys. This is called the buddy system. Our dog, sorry, you guys are really close to my face. So, anyways, this is the buddy system for our dogs. I know you guys could see it sometimes in the back of our videos, but basically, as you see with kindergartners or preschoolers, the teachers give them a rope, and they're supposed to hold on to the rope, and this rope keeps them together. Ours likes to run outside and chase everything. This one, she likes to stay inside and be a good girl. So he has to buddy system her so that he doesn't run outside when I have my screen door only, or my door open and only the screen door. Because he likes to go out there and try to push it open. So buddy system. She's a rock. He tries to run. This keeps them together. Brisa, say hi. Say hi, Brisa. Say hi. Zachary. Zachary. Zach. He must be camera shy. Mr. Black. Coffee. Coffee.